Ladies and gentlemen, it is I. I am back and tired as ever. But today we're gonna try Pringles. Ladies and gentlemen, I've never had a Pringle. Yeah, I couldn't get the classic Pringles, but this is a pizza flavor Pringles. Let's see what's going on with this thing. Oh, it's open. Come on, let me. How do I? Oh, there's. Oh, okay. Tastes, smells like pizza. Let's go. What? The smell is like pizza, but the taste, what is this magic? I like that the Pringles, it's so thin. It's light, kind of. 5 out of 10. False advertisement. 5 out of 10. I expected it to taste like pizza, but just tastes like potato chips. There is a lot though. It is a tall Pringles can though, but would I buy it again? Maybe a different flavor, but 5 out of 10.